Still here at the National Farm Machinery Show, Louisville, Kentucky. The new Holland booth. Figured my buddy Ryan would give me a hard time if I didn't shoot something over here at the blue side of things. Today's Saturday. The show runs Wednesday through Saturday, but Saturday typically has the highest crowd, and they had the ladder folded up on this combine, but I talked with one of the fellows here at the booth, and he said since I was going to promote his product that he could let me up here. Skid steer loader, utility tractor, ground baler, utility vehicle, that's new, disc mower.